Hey guys, welcome once again to 360 Mix. We have a beautiful DJ controller. It's a DENON MC-4000. It's got several things wrong with it. The volume, the auxiliary, the cue buttons, and the microphone 1 and 2 are also, and the play buttons also need repair. They're scratchy, and sometimes the play buttons and things doesn't trigger correct. This unit has been used on the beach a lot. So yeah, it's time for a little bit of service. As you can see, I already removed most of the screws for you so we can speed this up. This video is going to be about 4 minutes long, and it's only the tear apart, and I'm going to speed through all of this. Right now I'm getting a screwdriver, and I put a little piece of tape on it so when I remove the buttons I don't scratch the front panel. As you can see, we're speeding through removing all the nuts, washers, and screws. This controller has lots of them, lots. It takes about 45 to 55 minutes to take it apart. I have sped this up so you can see the process of taking this unit apart. So as you can see, we're working on the inside now, taking the sound card and the main CPU, disconnecting all the wires and ground wires. I'm marking with a black Sharpie where the black screws are. There's silver screws and black ones. You can see the whole front panel needs to be removed. Also, the metal housing needs to be removed. All of these bolts here have to be removed as well. The not bolts, but nuts and washers that hold the potentiometers in place. There you go. A couple more washers got stuck. Let's take those out. Put them in zip top baggie. And now remove all the silver screws, actually all the screws. There's black ones and silver. This controller has 2 types of screws. And I always mark them to make sure that I put the screws back where they go. I missed one right on the top. There we go. Now the board is loose. Hey, there's a washer there. Let's put that in the zip top baggie. All right, here's the main board. And right now I'm marking all of the places that I need to work. So all the switches and all the potentiometers, I like to mark it with a Sharpie. That way I know where they're at and I can easily take them all apart. Now I'm going to run the iron just to preheat those pads and use the desoldering iron to remove all the switches. Now I'm installing all the new ones and soldering the back and making sure they're completely flush. This time what I'm doing is testing each individual switch a couple of times. I click on it, just make sure they all trigger at the right time. And I can see the ohms there, if it's faulty or not. I can see if it's a good switch or not. Even though they're new, they do fail, so it's best to check. So now I'm going to look at the volume, booth, and auxiliary board, and I'm going to use my desoldering gun to remove the potentiometer. It's got 6 pins and 2 studs holding it in place. So they come out pretty easy with this gun. That came right off. Now the other one. Done. Now I'm going to measure these just to make sure they're the right size when I order new ones. If you like this video, make sure you guys click like and subscribe. All right. So this is the teardown, and another video I will put everything back together and test it out. Have fun, guys.